Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to Mommy's channel. Senorita Ella. What are you doing now, Rich? What are you doing now?
Pick up.
Folding the clothes.
Ma?
Nanay. Say nanay. You say nanay.
Ma?
Very good. Say nanay, not ma. I'm your nanay.
Ay! Nahulog!
Yan, ako po. Nahulog na po. We're going to fold the clothes. Whose clothes is that? Rich.
Ma, the chicken is crying. Because
The chicken and the goat?
wants to cry.
Huh?
He wants to eat.
Yeah.
Because is not home yet.
Yeah.
Because it's in Mindanao. It's his squad.
Yeah. It's not our goat.
That's his goat.
It's in Kapitbahay's goat. It's not our goat.
Ay,
Is it, working pa? Are you done?
not that.
Not yet.
It's
Oh my god, there's a lot of ants in your shorts. I'll remove it. You're very good na, no? You're such a good girl. Yun! They are crying pa din. Fold your clothes na. Give me the clothes of mommy.
Ma, wait.
Wait,
I will put the time.
Okay. Okay, let's start.
And this is my favorite.
That's your favorite?
Yeah, that's my favorite clothes.
Really? How about mine?
You are the user. I'm the winner.
You get your then you get your chair and you sit here. Ayan your chair.
I'm the winner.
Oh, you fold your clothes na. Ayan. Oh, fold it. Like mommy. I'm the loser, my God. Yan, fold your dress properly.
Ma, I forget this.
Okay.
Yan is not
Hello?
willing to.
Ano ba ito? Pick up po? Ano pong pangalan? Michael. Apa. Kuya, may iskinita po dyan. Pwede pong pababaan na wala lang kasama ang aking ano. May iskinita po dyan sa gilid. Dun po sa may... Apa. Kaso nga lang kuya, may andyan yung gulong yung dadaanan na may tubig. Dire-diretso lang po.
That's
Kuya.
it.
Pa?
Yeah.
Okay po. Sabihin kayo sa nanay ko.
Ma, put the bag.
Wait lang, fold it already.
Huh?
Oh.
And nothing but us. To the another one.
Wala kuya. Apa, andyan na po ang nanay ka. Sasalubungin kaya. Apa. Sasalubungin na kaya. Wow, very good si Ate Rich. Si Rich po is 3 years old. 3 years old ka na, Rich? And she know how to fold the clothes. Lagay mo muna doon para mamaya papatong mo dyan yung kasunod. Patong mo doon. Tapos ito naman. Saan ko lalagay yan?
Doon.
Di na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me the another clothes. The for the bayan.
Okay po.
Mom, don't fight the baby, huh? But yun, ang fight. But yung ang fight.
Opo. Diba, mommy love you. Yan, lagyan mo na doon.
Ma, put it then.
Okay.
The baby's vomit. Give me another one.
Okay. You tell them.
No, it's not Cathy. It's not Cathy.
Yeah, that's a dress. Beautiful dress. It's from...
Why do you buy this to me?
That's from Ninang Ralvi.
Tinang YB?
Yeah.
Because he buy it to me?
Yeah, you see, thank you, Ninang Ralvi. That's your Christmas gift from her.
Because that's my birthday.
No, it's Christmas. Diba, when the Christmas coming.
Because I will praise now.
Yeah, the Santa Claus is coming to town.
Because it's real magic
Yeah.
thing. Snow.
Yeah.
But I can praise snow na.
Yeah. But we are not in America. We don't have snow here in the Philippines. Only in the America lang yun. If we go to America, then you will play in the snow right away. But here in the Philippines, no snow. But we can go to snow in the MOA. You want to go there?
No, there's no sun. Because there's no sun. No,
Yeah, it's like-
no snow.
It's ice. Diba the snow is ice?
Because I can't just like this.
Yeah, you show them. You tell to everyone. Hi
Because
guys.
you need to buy the scapes
The skate.
to me.
The
Then
skate.
I can off it.
Yeah.
And then I will feel comfort.
Yeah, the skate shoes. You want that? Skating shoes. Ayun pala, skating shoes. You want to go there? We're going to MOA. And you
Yeah.
play the skateboard. The skating shoes. But you will fall down. Your foot may ache if you don't know how to use it properly. Is it okay?
Ma, give me another one.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Oh, you have a lot of clothes because you're always changing your clothes. Even if you're not taking a bath.
Another one.
Oh, abot mo naman. You can get it na. Baliktadin mo muna. Oh, it's baliktad.
Wait, Dad.
Buksan mo tong ilalim. And then, kuha. Yan, para hindi siya baliktad. Yan, okay na. Tiklop na. Rich, are you happy with mommy? Are you happy with mommy?
Yeah.
How about with Dede?
Yes.
Oh, yun
Ma,
lang.
I will be the winner.
Yeah. I'm the loser again and again and again. No? Rich,
I'm the winner.
I'm the loser. My goodness. Baby Rich is so fast. I can't even habol him. Her pala. You're so fast, Rich.
I'm fast.
Yeah.
Then you are slow.
Yeah. I'm so slow. Slow.
Like a penguin.
The penguin is so slow. No,
Yeah.
it's like a turtle.
No, it's just like penguin. It's just walk just like that.
When mom is pregnant, my walk is like a penguin, na? Because of having a big stomach. No? You remember when mom is pregnant?
And the footy.
Oh, hindi mo binaliktad. Oh, baliktad yan.
That's it, Dad.
Oh, kunin mong ilalim. Don't look on the camera. Yan, kunin mo ilalim. Yan. Para baliktad. Yan. O, diba? O, diba? I told you. Oh.
Ma.
What? Yan. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Yan. Okay na. Yan.
Ma, tayo ka.
Yan ang galing mo. Galing ni Richa na fold niya yung kanyang dress.
No, dito. Yan.
Tinan mo ha, baka may ants.
Baka naan.
Patayin mo.
I can see any ants.
Okay. When you see when you can see any ants, then you will fold it na. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, I'm the winner! Ay, not yet pa pala.
Ma.
I thought I don't.
Yung
Ayun.
gum.
Ayun. The ants! Oh, so many ants. My goodness. You see ants? Why you... Ang dami. Go. Look.
Look at my shirt.
What did you show to them? Huh? Is that your teeth? Okay na. You
I
fold.
don't have teeth now.
Oh my god, it's broken. Favorite teeth is broken na. My goodness. Oh. Faster, I'm
Is
the
it for the
winner.
baby?
Yeah, I'm the winner na.
I'm the winner. I'm first.
Huh?
I'm first, oh. I'm first. I'm first. You want to give me a flowers.
Huh?
If I do the job,
Wow, what did he give you?
a blue flower.
Blue flower?
I'm the winner.
Yay! Next. Oh,
Ma,
the baby is gulat. Thank you. I saw another dress pa pala. I thought I'm the winner. But I'm not! My goodness. What's this? I'm going to... Very good, Ate Rich.
my birthday.
Yeah, you need to be faster because...
Because ride the tayo.
Hmm?
Ride the tayo one. Because ride tayo.
Yeah. Oh. Hindi mo binaliktad. Still baliktad.
And the birthday. Mayo.
Hmm?
I'm strong.
I'm strong.
I'm strong.
Yeah. Because you're a pig.
I'm not a pig. You're a pig. You're
a pig.
You're a pig.
You're a goat.
I am a goat and I am pig.
Why you are a goat? Because
Because I didn't trigger.
like
Like,
like
like,
daddy,
like daddy.
daddy and baby
Ma.
don't like to ligo. Yeah, very good.
Because that's
Natutuwa
why
wake up
they,
na,
that's why
Daddy is wake up na. Tinagot niya. Tinagot niya yung bata.
Kagat.
Goodbye to bata. Oh no, baby Daddy is crying. Baby, get out, get out. Please.
Mom,
Get out.
that's mine tray. Mine tray.
Ayun, share mo yung the small one.
No.
Rich, di ba you love your brother? Don't fight with
I
him.
want this.
Mamaya, ayun, get mo yung isa, tagay mo.
No.
Wait lang, a moment, please. Don't be so galit.
Because you don't want to play with me.
Hmm? I'm playing with you kanina pa. But they wake up because you're so lame. Come here.
No.
You do make up for yourself. Baby Rich is putting makeup. Putting makeup on her face. Baby they have a long nails. I see your nails. Wow, where did you get that? That's your makeup kit? The pink one? Gonna put foundation again? Ginupitan ko ng pilik mo to si Day. Yeah, Rich, you show to everyone what you're doing. Dali, come here.
And makeup.
You show them here in the tablet. Dali. You come here.
I'm still makeup. I'm busy.
Okay. Ate Rich is busy, guys. Doing her make. Oh, the bird.
Right?
The bird is singing over there.
I can see it.
Because they fly in the over the tree.
There's a nest then.
Yeah, in our house.
Cause there's a house then to the nest.
Yeah.
Cause that's the house of the bird.
The house of the bird is the nest, right? I'm so sleepy right now.
Now who drew this?
Maybe you or Johan.
Johan.
Johan drew it?
Yeah.
I will pinch Johan. Because Johan wrote something on the table. He wants more milk pala, that's why he's crying. What is that?
Hey,
Hmm? Kilay? You put kilay? And then,
another one. That's it.
I'm so sleepy na.
Ah, sweetie, don't be out. I make up.
Come here. It's only... Ang init kasi ngayon walang kuryente. Look, you're pangit! Hindi yan dyan, dito yan nilalagay. To make your eyes smaller.
But I want big. Ma, busy ako.
Hmm?
Busy ako to make up.
Busy ka mag-makeup? Punain mo ang eyes mo.
Ma!
What? Hindi. Huh?
I'm going to make a present.
Baby, get another daw. Rich, get another.
Again.
Yeah.
Monday brown.
Huh?
Monday brown. Brown. The baby tayo again.
Yeah, because the baby is getting bigger and bigger every day, like at Rich. Are you happy with your brother?
Yeah, I'm happy with my survey.
With your? Hi guys, I'm going to do a makeup. You say. You tell them, hi guys, I'm going to make up myself to become beautiful. Like Mommy Ella.
Ma, it will not make curious to me.
Hmm?
It will not make curious to me, cause it will make me a mommy.
You want to become a mommy?
No, it will make me a mommy.
Hmm?
Where do you want ganda? Ganda?
Yeah, dito nak, dito. Rich, dito mo lagay. Rich, look at mommy. Here. Dito
Just smile.
Small dito. Dito lang, dito. Hindi dyan, dito. Ayan, papusok sa mata mo. Dito. Success na tayo. Tutoy. Success na si Tutoy. Nakapupo na siya. Successful.
Ma, do you have my makeup?
Hmm?
Do you want my makeup?
Yes.
Do you want that?
Yeah.
Let's makeup tayo.
Hmm?
Makeup. Makeup
Tayo?
tayo? Yeah. It's makeup. Daddy!
Mamaya, Dede is trying to.
No, he's not going.
Ay, si Dede. Sorry naman.
Mine. But I want to drink now.
Tanong mo kay Lola kung pwede ka. Say, Lola, can you drink milk? Just a little bit. Yun, nalaglag na.
I will put it down.
Hindi yan kakapit dyan.
Okay. Oh. Yeah.
Shove.
Can I have this blue?
Yeah.
My blue open it myself.
Bus na anak. Wait lang.
Ma,
Okay, lagyan mo. Konti lang. Hay nako. Rich, ako na. Dededehin mo yan. You will dede it. Huwag mo punas ang damit mo, mababasa. Wala ka ng pampalit.
I will get the meat. I will get the meat. I will get the meat. Ito?